Hello, and welcome to Lonely AstroBears Space Agency, a community for lonely artists and collectors, where you are welcome to create, educate, and collaborate on anything art and NFT. Putting oneself out in the world can be one of the terrifying and most intimidating things for some, so I invite you to join our Discord server to become part of this community. But if you're not ready, that's okay as well. It will always be open to anyone and everyone, so we hope to see you drop by and say hi. You may also follow our social media pages linked below if you only wish to see updates on the community. Chapter 1. For our very first NFT series, we will talk about the basics of NFT and launching an NFT project. Hindi pa tayo dito magtatakal ng deeper aspects of NFT and its creation, tulad ng Web3, code development, at smart contracts. Bagkus, ang pagtutuunan muna natin ng pansin ay ang kahulugan ng NFT, ang creative side ng paggawa nito, at kung papaano at saan ito maaaring ilagay at kung papalarin maibebenta. A little disclaimer, this video series is based on extensive research and first-hand experience in creating an NFT project. It is by no means perfect and can be subject to corrections and changes given that the technology is fresh and new. This series is also by no means the only correct way to get started in creating NFTs, but merely a simplified tutorial on how to get into it. Now that we have that out of the way, let's start. What are NFTs? Ano nga ba ang NFTs o non-fungible tokens? Simulan natin by breaking down word per word. Fungible is defined as a commodity or an object that can be replaced and exchanged by an identical item. Tokens, in this context, is defined as a virtual currency or a representation of it, na ginagamit at kadalasang makikita sa crypto market. Given yung mga definition na binanggit natin, non-fungible tokens simply mean that they are virtual objects or commodities na walang kagaya. Ito ay unang sinuportahan ng Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum. Ang Ethereum blockchain ay isa sa mga decentralized open source blockchain na makikita sa cryptocurrency market tulad ng Smooth Love Potion at Bitcoin. Ang difference lang ng Ethereum sa Bitcoin at SLP ay ito ay hindi lang isang cryptocurrency. Ethereum's ledger technology can be used to build new programs. Sa madaling salita, mas innovative ito than most decentralized blockchains. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin nito, ito lang ang ginagamit sa NFTs. Iba't ibang klaseng cryptocurrencies ang ine-explore sa space na ito. Dahil ang Ethereum blockchain ay isang public record, dito makikita lahat ng assets. This is a public ledger, meaning everyone has access to it, but for transparency purposes only. Examples. Narinig nyo na ba ang Axie Infinity na nilalaro ng karamihan ngayon? Yan ay halimbawa ng isang NFT game. Bawat creature na ginagamit ng mga player ay may unique identification, making them representations of NFTs. Ang gamit nito ay SLP. Ang board punks of society. Ang BPOs ay isa lang naman sa pioneer ng NFT space and community here in the Philippines. Their NFTs are represented by PFPs or profile pictures that give them access to different sorts of benefits, such as membership sa kanilang community as well as other perks and benefits. Ang gamit naman nito na network ay Polygon, which is a sidechain of Ethereum. Ngayon alam mo na ang definition ng NFT at kung ano ang ilan sa mga uri nito, we'll talk about how you can create one in the next chapter. If you enjoyed or learned anything about this video, a like would be appreciated. But if you didn't, you can also leave a thumbs down. But we would love it if you could subscribe and share this with your friends that are interested with NFTs. This is only the first of many videos on art and how you can use NFT for your art, so stay tuned.